Plymouth, Massachusetts, located on the east coast of the United States, is especially vulnerable to ocean acidification. The coastal town is economically reliant on its shelled mollusk fisheries, which is an underwater species particularly affected by ocean acidification. Tourists come from all over the country to try fresh scallops, oysters, and clams, which are experiencing rapidly acidifying waters. Ocean acidification occurs when the ocean waters take in CO2 from the atmosphere. As humans continue to burn fossil fuels, more carbon dioxide is being deposited into the atmosphere and absorbed by our oceans. The more CO2 absorbed, the lower the pH level of the waters, and the harder it is for these shellfish to harden their shells. In addition to increasing CO2 levels in the atmosphere, pollution is encouraging algae growth, which leads to more CO2 acidifying the waters that the shellfish call home. There is an extensive threat to the economy as ocean acidification continues to occur in Plymouth, with the fisheries being a $247 million industry in Massachusetts. If we continue to see a decrease in the ability for the mollusks to adapt fast, we will also face a hard economic impact and loss of jobs. There has been no legislative action on ocean acidification in order to protect the jobs and the economy. However, an adaptation plan has been written in regard to climate change as a whole as of June 2020. Potential solutions include smarter farming and upgrading waste processes in order to prevent pollution from reaching the ocean, increasing funding, including through legislation and governmental action, and establishing an ocean acidification task force to evaluate economic risks and establish plans to mitigate those risks. The communities of Plymouth have already experienced the effects of climate change, and if nothing is done in order to conserve the communities, a loss of jobs and a major economic devastation is in the future.